Why yield from does not work as expected in all or any. Today I was debugging a strange issue. The program is complex, but I have simplified the part in question to just few lines reproducing the strange behavior. In the example I test a random generator 3 times in a row. If all 3 tests return true, the test is completed. If not, the test must be repeated from the beginning. Function func1 works okay. Function func2 with any should be equivalent to func1, but it isn't. It does not work, it produces an error. The func3 is broken as well, this one is an infinite busy loop. Where is the problem? It is legal to use yield from in other ways than value equals yield from ... I did not found anything in the docs, so far. When yield from is used, it treats the supplied expression as a subiterator. All values produced by that subiterator are passed directly to the caller of the current generator's methods.
Func1 is a function returning a generator while func2 and func3 are regular functions. That's because is actually equivalent to this code doesn't yield anything since the yield from statement is encapsulated in a generator. You can even run it outside of a function, in your console for instance. Though it probably doesn't do what you expect.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.